Come open the door. Let's check the front. Did we get to him? Where's the shooter at, sir? Who is he? All right.
On you.
Sir, who's the person that shot you?
I don't know.
Go play it outside with him.
The guard's over there.
On your back, go.
So you don't know the person?
Open.
Huh? Okay, is it someone you know, a friend of hers or a friend of yours?
I don't know.
Okay. Hold on, sir. Right in front. All right.
On your back.
Okay, I'm going straight.
I'll cut
You
him.
going?
Yep.
Okay, there's like a code for you.
Roy, unlock your car so you still got it clear.
He's
On your back.
inside.
Go.
Pushing.
Got left. Clear.
Stay down, sir.
Go right. Go.
Almost.
Clear. On you.
I'm
Go.
going to go straight. Go left.
Go left.
Is your wife
Got
married?
anything?
The man on the floor is Brent Deloach. He lives here with his 84-year-old father, and his 30-year-old daughter had come by that afternoon.
A jacket, what color?
I don't.
Okay. How did he get in the house?
It's open.
The door was open?
Yeah, we don't lock our door.
Okay, and it's nobody you know?
No, ma'am.
It was a random person?
Coming over.
I think he was here to rob something. I don't know.
You think he was here to rob you?
I think so, ma'am.
Okay, where were you when you got shot initially?
I was in here.
Okay,
Anybody have a spare set of gloves?
negative. Okay, 302 dispatch, we're gonna need homicide in Rock, please.
How long ago did this happen?
It just happened as soon as he called.
Do we know who?
He thinks that somebody was here possibly to rob him, and
See if all three of these vehicles belong to them. Make sure we don't have.
you have 3 cars outside, sir?
Yes, ma'am. One's my dad's, one's mine.
It's good. Off of them. Could you tell if the guy was younger or older?
He looked like him.
You said 50s?
Maybe.
Okay. Hey, y'all start canvassing for video? Hey,
Thank you.
start canvassing for some video.
Sir, you need to sit down, okay?
Sit down.
Just sit, okay.
Well,
Just find a chair or something. Thank you, appreciate it.
Just hang out right here for right now. Make sure EMS is fine.
Where'd he go?
Negative white male, wearing a jacket on the description. Did you shoot him?
So he's been
Shot
shot?
at him? Did you think you hit him?
Yeah, in the chest.
I didn't see that.
We told him to sit down already.
Okay. Sir,
Give him one of these kitchen chairs to sit in.
is she breathing?
No.
He said he shot back and there's a gun somewhere.
Who's the guy? Who's the suspect?
He doesn't know. He said the front door was unlocked, the person came inside, shot at him. I got a white male, possibly his height, about 40s or 50s, that's it. And you've never seen the guy before. Put that there. Put it up. Okay.
That's what you were shooting at him with?
yeah,
Just leave it right there.
Hey, do we have...
Crime scene, don't take it.
Bag in my truck.
It's empty.
No, just leave it there.
It's empty. It's empty. Hey, just try to remember.
Victim ID
Sir.
7, but we have one in the
Just
chest.
try to tell me as much as you remember.
2 victims, one possibly 10-7, one's been shot in the chest.
I just heard a noise. I came near.
Okay. Alright, try to sit down. I know you're probably hurting. I'm just trying to get as much information as I can because they're probably gonna go in surgery. Alright?
We have
So
all hands on deck here for a while.
the earliest you can tell me what happened, I can pass it on for you, okay? Alright, so you heard a noise, what happened?
I came there and I heard a noise. I went and got the gun.
Okay.
That was my daughter.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you think she had someone here?
Did she have someone here?
No, it was just both of y'all in the...
Drove up.
Okay.
Does she have a boyfriend, ex-boyfriend?
He's got a boyfriend.
Is
I don't know his name.
it possibly him?
Okay. Take your time.
EMS here.
Alright, get EMS in here. Tell them they gotta go.
Where are you shot at?
Chest seal coming up.
Hey guys, I know like we have a lot of people standing around. If y'all are not actively helping him, do you mind stepping out because it's going to be considered a crime scene? All right.
St. George, y'all can go.
Thank you so much.
Charlie, you think that's what I'm doing?
No problem.
Get that white, get that chassis on.
Hey, let them know I ain't mean no offense. You know how I am.
Carly, you want me to set up anything for you?
Yeah, get the things. Get all the things.
Looks like it was.
We just need to get them in the truck and go. Right.
What's your name, brother?
Monitor.
Brent?
This y'all's?
Yeah, there's a case underneath where he was sitting.
What? Huh?
Is this y'all's right here?
Yeah, that's us on the back.
This is the part of the scene that doesn't fit. If a stranger forced his way in, there should be a sign of it. A broken door, a pried window, a way in, and a way out. Officers walk the outside of the home and find none of it. The doors are intact, and the camera at the front has been recording the whole time.
You look
Damage.
for bullet holes?
Yeah, did you see any blood outside? Yeah, I didn't see any damage so far.
No.
If he was sitting down like that, maybe.
But it's also raining on the outside too, so if it's any, it's gonna wash off.
Let's look at the back of the door. Or it could have been her.
What did he say was the suspect?
Huh? He didn't tell me where he was. He just said he came to the front. Yeah, white male, probably about his height. He said about 40 or 50, wearing a jacket. I'm not sure what color it was. So when I asked him about the front door, he said the front door is not unlocked. I'm sorry, it's usually kept unlocked. But he just mentioned that she came in. So let me look through that movie.
There's no.
Just watch where you step in.
No, I'm not stepping anywhere. I gotta stay right here, make sure ain't nobody coming in.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh, he has a camera system?
Yeah. There's a whole person in this bed and they didn't see this.
Huh?
Where's EMS?
Wait, is a person in there?
Yes.
The man in that bed is Sidney DeLoach, Brent's 84-year-old father. He'd been covered with a blanket like he were asleep. No one at the scene had mentioned he was even here.
Yeah, see EMS back in. Hey, send me EMS!
EMS back.
Casing there, casing over there.
They're here, let them know they're here.
Where's he at?
Along the back, over here. Towards the back. Watch a second. EMS coming to you.
He looks like he's been,
There's still a dude in here?
Yeah, they just walked back there and saw somebody else.
Sleeping?
Yeah.
Okay. That's why I was wondering. Because they're telling me that the third person lives here. I just want to make sure.
Yeah.
Where are we at now? Where's that other patient?
Go down the hall. Down the hall.
Alright, get that dog.
He's over there.
Yeah, whatever.
There's a person in that bed back there.
Which one?
The first one?
James Williams there. What the fuck?
Mr. DeLoach, who else is in the house with you, sir?
My father and my daughter.
Your father and your daughter? Okay.
Where'd your father go?
Your father did this?
No,
No? Okay. Was he ever out in the living room at any point in time?
I don't think so.
Okay. Can you, to your best of your recollection, tell me what happened?
I was outside in the garage.
Outside in the garage?
Heard some shots and went in there.
Okay.
There was a pistol in the garage, so I grabbed it.
Yep.
Went inside. Seen my daughter.
Yep.
And the guy came out of the back.
Yep. He had searched the back?
I'm guessing, I don't know.
So you were in the garage, heard shots, came back to the front of the house after getting your gun. Mr. Brett, do you have any enemies? None that you're aware of? How about your daughter? Boy, does your daughter have a boyfriend or husband?
He lives with somebody.
Sir?
He lives with somebody.
He lives with somebody?
She does.
She does. Could it be him? No? Okay.
I don't recognize him.
You don't recognize him? Okay.
Brent shot his father first, then he called his daughter over and told her that her grandfather had died. When she got there and tried to see him, he wouldn't let her. When they went back inside and she pushed past him to reach her grandfather, she'd found he'd been shot, and that, investigators believe, is the moment her father shot her. Brent was charged with 2 counts of first-degree murder and held without bond. He never stood trial. In late July of 2024, after months in custody, he was found unresponsive in his cell, and days later, after his remaining family made the decision to remove him from life support, he died. His father was 84, his daughter was 30, and she left behind a 10-year-old son. 3 generations of one family, and by the time it was over, the only person who could have explained any of it was gone too. The people who love Christina have said that the part they can't make sense of it isn't the evidence, it's that this was a father who by every count adored his daughter. So the question this case leaves behind was never really what happened, it's why, and whether anyone was ever close enough to see it coming.